Hello, hey guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Pamasigari Channel, a faith healer, also a tarot. So ngayong hapon, natatigan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a week na gabay for the month of December 18 hanggang December 24 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and i-share notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-lig-lig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa inyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga hagilap? So guys, ito na, tunghayan natin at hagilapin. Ano kaya gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay? Angel spirit, please give me information po. And this is the Knight of Wands. We're slowly but surely na maging mahinahon sa bawat kilos at galaw. Kailangan pag-iisipan mo mabuti yung mga bagay na gagawin mo. No? Huwag kang padalos-dalos. Pero para sinasabi, mahinahon, mabagal man pero sinisigurado. And this is something the lovers. No? May konektado pagdating sa love life dito guys. No? There is something of partnerships. And this is a Two of Pentacles, so there's a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance, guys. Emotional, physical, mental. And the page of all, something a good news. And there's a good news coming in for you. No? May magandang eksena pagdating sa'yo. And because this is something, the Eight of Cups, something moving on or moving forward. Unti-unti ka na makakawala at makakalis sa situation mo. And this is something the Empress ka na for a revert. Now, this is the moment, no? Para magkaroon ka na panibagong eksena. No? Parang magkakaroon ka ng opportunities or something, pagkakataon, no? Para makapagsimula muli. This is something na parang self-love, self-care. So, kailangan mo alagaan ang sarili mo. Or there's something moving forward na parang makakaalis ka na sa mga nangyari sa'yo, no? Yung mga kabiguan, yung mga parang maghuhugas kamay ka dito, guys. Parang matatanggalin yung mga negativities. And because this is something that I request with an offer. Now, there's an apology, and there's something offer for proposal. Now, maging mahinahon na ha. Kasi there's something offer for you, kaya kailangan pag-iisipan mo. And there's the six of swords with the transition. At makakaalis ka na sa situation, no? There's something a love life, no? Maaaring magkaroon ka ng, parang relocations or either bagong bahay. This is a Ten of Pentacles for a long term. Na magkakaroon ka ng long term dito, finances. And because let's see what is the Page of Wands, referencing with Nine of Pentacles. So this is something financial windfall. Talaga may magandang balita pagdating sa pagkakaperahan mo na magiging masagan at magiging maganda na ang ikot ng kapalaran sa'yo at magiging maganda na rin ang pagkakaperahan sa'yo at pangalagaan, protectionan mo kung ano ba yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. So let's see what is the Eight of Cups. Represent with the Seven of Wands. So this is something protection. Protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo for the negativities, for viruses, for poison, no? Maraming taong lilin lang sa'yo, maraming taong susubok sa'yo. Kaya kailangan marunong kang pangalagaan at protection yung sarili mo. The Empress card represent with the Magician. So this is something powered by God, no? Parang pinapakita ka dito na magkakaroon ka ng panibagong simula sa sarili mo. Parang bubuhay yung katawan lupa mo dito. Para magkakaroon ka ng second life or second chances, gano'n. Pangalawang pagkakataon para mabuhay ka muli, gano'n. Para bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon para makapagsimula ka, para makabawi ka. Or this is the Ace of Pentacles for a big shot and big money coming for you. Malaking pera papasok sa'yo dito, ha. This is something a new opportunities. A new project, your new work. And then the lovers represent the Six of Swords, represent the Three of Swords. There's something insecure. There's something third party involved. Mag-ingat ka ha, or makakalis ka na raw pagdating sa mga toxic families, no? Parang makakalaya ka na sa mga insecure, sa toxic friends, toxic relatives, toxic families. And because this is something the Two of Pentacles and sa Pentacles, represent the King of Wands, ambitions, no? Parang unti-unti mo na makikita yung possibilities, na parang unti-unti mo na makikita yung 5 years, 10 years from now, asa ka na sa situation mo, laki na pagbabago na mangyayari sa'yo sa buhay mo. There's something evolution, transformations, a transition, no? A Page of Wands represents the Nine of Pentacles, represent the Page of Swords. There's something that get more information, no? Marami ka pang dapat malaman pagdating sa pagkakaperahan. Kumbaga, mas marami ka pang mauunawaan pagdating sa mga strategies, on how to flow naturally, or how to have stability, na pagdating sa finances. So, maraming magagandang balita at magagandang opportunity para sa iyo. Let's see what is Eight of Cups and the Seven of Wands. So, represent with that Seven of Cups something happiness. Magiging masaya ka dito. Nakabuksan ang isip at puso mo sa mga magagandang eksena dahil you are also protected. Pangalagaan protection naman sa sarili mo, even your kaligayahan. Kailangan mo na kumawala sa comfort zone mo. Kumaga, parang makakawala, parang release for negativities, toxicities, no? What is the Empress card ko sa Magician? Represent what? Represent with the Two of Wands sa something choices, no? Ikaw pa rin yung gagawa ng eksena mo. So, you can create a situation, you have the power to change it, no? Ikaw yung gagawa ng sitwasyon mo para mabago yung sistema, yung ikot ang kapalaran mo, even environment, toxicities, no? Kaya, kumbaga, ikaw yung para magiging, boss, or you have authority, no? To change your life from the fullest. What is the outcomes? For the outcome is the Queen of Wands, something of confidence. So, see, confident is your key to success. Magtatagumpay ka, pero nasa sa'yo yan kung malakas ang loob mo, matapang ka, makapal ang mukha mo. Ganon. Kung kailangan lakasan ng loob, no? Confianza. And this is something the King of Wands for devoted to 40 person. Or either this is an ancestor guides na gumagabay sa'yo with a father figure. No? May tatay kang yumao na ginagabayan ka, or lolo na pinoproteksyon at pinapangalagaan ka. Let's see, this is something that the Four of Pentacles with the saving money, protect your power, protect your energy. So this is the moment for the outcome na para po protectionan mo kung ano man yung grounds mo. Yung kung ano man yung estado mo, yung sarili mo, parang ganon. Additional messages for finances and career. So this is the Ace of Swords. Now, kumbaga magtatagumpay ka, mukhang magniningning ka. There is something Ace of Wands for a new beginning. Magkakaroon talaga ng panibagong eksena. Additional messages. And because this is something the Moon card for truth reveal. Na marami kang malalaman, marami kang malalantad. Na pagdating sa finances, parang malalaman mo na yung nagbibigay komplikasyon. Malalaman mo na yung nagbibigay negativities. Parang malalaman mo na yung parang lason sa eksena. Parang ganoon. No? Kung mag-alam mo na kung ano yung nagpunot dulo na lahat ng ito. Lahat ng kaguluhan, lahat ng mga kamalasan, malalaman mo na. So let's see guys now. What is additional messages for love life? So this is a full card for a leap of faith. No, wag ka magtitiwala ha. Maraming tuso pagdating sa relation. There's a devil card. No, maraming taong kumaga sumisira ng iyong relasyon. Or either, there is something of black magic involved na maaaring ginagayo may person mo. Huwag ka nagtitiwala ha kasi maaaring attracted yung ibang tao sa person mo or yung jowa mo. And this is something the Page of Pentacles for investment. Invest wisely ha. Huwag ka nagbibigay ng mga impormasyon sa mga tao na sa paligid mo na hindi mo pa lubos na kilala. Or either, yung kaibigan mo, kumbaga, kailangan pagdating sa love life mo, secure ka dapat. No? I-secure mo. Pagdating sa health, and there's a temptation guys, no? May nasense ako dito guys, mag-ingat po kayo sa pagtatanggap ng kung sino-sino. Kung ikaw ay single, if you are a friend of yours, or either you have a relationship, mag-ingat kayo sa pagtatanggap ng mga bisita sa bahay na alam mong ikaw lang nakatira. No, may nasense ako dito na maaaring magkaroon ng temptations, maaaring magkaroon ng, kumbaga, eksena na maaaring humantong sa hindi magandang kaganapan na umiiwas kayo dito. Na meron ako nasa-sense na maaaring hindi maganda yung mangyayari, no? Maaaring may abusive dito. Let's see, there's a health issues with the Five of Swords with a fair fight. May patas sa laban, ha? Magkakaroon ka ng something patas na laban. So, this is something that's to observe with the decision. Kailangan mo mag-desisyon na, kung umiwas ka sa mga bagay na makakasama sa'yo, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your action. Na umiwas ka sa mga bawal, umiwas ka sa mga hindi pwede sa'yo. Additional messages tayo with synchronicities. For synchronicities represent what? So, there's a block. Oh, meron daw dito naka-block. Na parang merong humaharang sa'yo ng swerte. Now, there's a storm. Puro kamalasan na nangyayari sa buhay mo. Ayun, ako, may gumagawa ng eksena talaga sa'yo, kaya kami na malas, inoolat sa... And there's a creativity. See, I told you, may talagang gumagawa sa imbis na maganda lang ang kulay ng eksena mo, or maganda ng kapalaran mo, parang unahuudlot, no? Parang hinakarangan. Or kinakadlangan, no? Additional messages tayo with a magical fair messages represent what? Represent with affirmation. Positive thought create a positive result. Always being optimistic. No, kailangan positibo ka sa lahat ng eksena para magiging maganda rin ang kalalabasan. And this is something holiday. Na meron ditong holiday season, guys. So, ay guys, mag-ingat kayo ha. Mukhang meron talaga maiiwan sa bahay nyo ngayong holiday. No? May nasisense ako, guys, na hindi magandang eksena. Maaaring mayroon talagang mag-akyat bahay or inside job na mangyari, no? Parang papapasukin to sa bahay, no? Maaaring hindi magiging magandang eksena. Huwag kayo magtitiwala ha sa mga kaibigan nyo. What is basta-basta pagdating sa alam mong kumaga kayo lang, diba? Mayroon ako nasisense dito na hindi maganda. And this is something Romans angels represent the divine intervention. May paalala sa yung ating divine. Meron talaga dito parang lihim na pagtingin. No, parang ano to eh. May temptation talaga. No, meron talaga dito parang pagnanasa. Mag-ingat po. And there is a hook one night stand. So see, ito yung sinasabi ko one night stand. Mag-iwas po. And there's a magnetic attraction. See, kumbaga nakikita kanya parang, di ba see, parang ang labo dito, pero dito malinaw. No, parang attracted to sa iyo eh. Parang nitingnan kanya sa eksena nito may nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. And this is something a non-commitment independent. Na parang ayaw mo ng jowa, ayaw mo ng karelasyon. Meron ako nasisense na ganun dito, guys. So let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Yin and yang oracle card represent what? And there's a past and luck and suffering. No? Parang may mga bagay na nangyari sa from the past na maaaring ang hirap mo, nahihirapan ka pa makarecover. Now, this is something self-care. Alaga mo yung sarili mo. Talaga meron dito pag-alaga sa sarili, guys, ha? Naloloka ako dito sa eksena na to. Additional for Archangel Michael, Raphael messages. And there is a live a stressful situation behind, no? Kailangan mong kumawala sa nagbibigay stress sa'yo, no? There's something toxic friend and toxic relationship and toxic environment and toxic families with the Archangel Michael messages. Your home is protected by angels. Na protektado ka ng ating mga gabay. And of course, your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Na yung mga gabay mong pagkakatiwalaan naman daw yan. For chakra messages represent what? Represent the trickery, no? May mapanlin lang dito, may manloloko. Umiwas ka, guys. No, there's an acceptance. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matatanggap. And there's a vanity, no? Luho, bisyo. Umiwas kayong uminom, May nasisense talaga ako dito na overdrunk. No, na-abuse siya dahil na sobrang sa pagkalasing. Additional messages with an angel spirit represent with a justice. May hustisya pa rin, no? There's a something legal matter na kung nasisense talaga. And there's a something healer na kailangan mo ng manggagamot na tutulong sa'yo. And there's a practice, no? Enhance your ability and polish your skills. And there's a support and guidance here, no? Sinusupport at ginagawa ka ng ating angel spirit. For the angels, answer represent what? Represent a don't stop. No, wag kang huminto, tuloy-tuloy lang, ha? And there's a within the next few weeks. Sa mga susunod na buwan, within the next few months. Sa mga susunod na buwan, magkakaroon ng mga pagbabago. Wag kang hihinto, wag kang titigil, ha? Hanggat hindi mo na pursue, hindi mo na naisa sa katuparan yan. What is additional messages with an angel spirit for denial? No, i-acknowledge mo yung fear, replace mo yung awareness. So, hindi sa natatakot ka. Kumbaga, may mga pangangamba at may mga bagay na parang nag-aalinlangan ka lamang. No, pag ganun na nag-aalinlangan ka na, nangangamba ka, mag-pay attention ka, may babalayon. No, umiwas ka, wag kang tumuloy. No? And there's a nothing will come this situation. May mga bagay na, nothing is set in stone. No? Parang may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. Now, this is something nothing will come this situation. See, I told you. Diba, kumbaga, kung hindi ka magte-take ng action, walang mangyayari sa situation and believe the impossible. Na lahat ng mga imposible ay posible ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And because this is something, the direction with the timing. So, may talaga, there's a perfect timing here. Kumbaga, step by step, no? Kailangan mo dumaan sa tamang proseso. And this is something, go for it. Kailangan mo ilaban. No? Sinasabi na huwag kang hihinto, ituloy mo lang. no? Kapag nagkaroon ka ng gut feeling or something intuitions na pinapaalalahanan na huwag kang tutuloy, huwag kang tumuloy. Ganon, no? For the energy, represent what? Represent the door to the personal healing and happiness. Nabukas ang pintuan para sa kagalingan, kaligayahan, and there's a thinking man. Meron talaga nag-ano sa'yo, no? Meron talaga tinitingnan ka bilang isang diamond. Meron talaga nagnanasa sa'yo, umiwas ka guys, and there's an action. Kailangan mong kumilos dito guys. What is the romance angels represent what? Represent a retreat, not disconnect from the world. Kailangan kapag dating sa mga ganyan, umiwas kayo sa pagkakatiwalaan nyo guys, ha? Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a trust that's timing. No, magtiwala ka in the perfect timing, guys. This is something trust wave. You came in, no? And this is something rock open with surrender to the alchemy of life. So see, kailangan mo i-surrender lahat ng mga bagay. Lungkot at mga pinagdaanan mo, kailangan mo nang pakawalan yan. For Jesus' loving quote said, according to your faith be into you. See, depende sa paniniwala at pananampalataya mo. Kumaga, dyan ka susubukan ng ating pang may kapal. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Represent what? Represent with the angel's number. Represent with 000 for limitless potential. Reset and relaxations. It serves as a silent reminder that anything can be accomplished. If you dream it, there is no reason you can make it into reality. If something is a possession of another person, it's also available to you, so try to remain calm. What's meant for you won't pass you by. Let go of tension. Relax. So, pakawalan mo. Sa unang bara pa lang pinapakita na maging kalmado ka. Huwag ka magiging greedy or huwag ka magmamadali sa isang situation. Kumaga, kailangan mo mong kumalma para makapag-isip ka at makagawa mo yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin. For the messages of life, represent, I am free. No, kumbaga papalayain, magkakaroon ka ng kalayaan. Today, I find the veil of my ego has lifted and vision of new life has appeared. Now, I am focused on my inner growth. I listen only to the voice of my heart. Remain steadfast and the energy of love that I find there. I am now free of duality, fear, and judgment, and I move forward to the path of my inner peace. So, see, may paglaya talaga sa mga nangyari sa iyo. Kumbaga, makakalaya na yung puso't isip mo, no? Sa mga negativities. And this is something master of life. So, see, I dedicated my strength to the divine with me, aligning myself with the sovereign of my life. My ego step aside as listen to the inner voice and the act accordance with the truth I hear. In this way, I become the master of life. I live in abiding humility, grace, and love for the glory of God. So see, unti-unti mo matutuklasan mismo sa harap mo at sa nangyayari sa iyo kung ano ba talagang kahulugan ng buhay. Kung bakit mo nararanasan, bakit ganito ang paikot-ikot ng eksena, bakit ka binabalik sa eksena na yon. No, there's a something cycle na kailangan putulin. May mga bagay na kailangan maging maingat, kailangan maging kalmado, kailangan maging mabusisi, kailangan i-evaluate mo, i-analyze mo lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo bago ka mag-take ng action. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 18 hanggang December 24 for the sign off. Cancer. So, Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a journey, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaniyong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo. Ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!